Alright, so I got the grapple here unhooked and depressurized. We're going to go ahead and take the lines here off and then take these up. But this time I'm actually going to shorten these lines. They don't need to be quite so long. I'm going to take a couple feet out of them. They were designed when I bought this for a skid steer, which usually attaches much further away. So I'm going to go ahead and have these lines cut down to size and save a little bit of money on that. So let's go grab the tools, get this unhooked, and I'll take them up to the store and get them replaced. Alright, so I just got back with the two new lines that we just made up, and going to reinstall them and then test them here in a second. So let's get them rerouted. Alright, so the lines come in here. And the second one. All right, so we got the two new hoses on. We're going to go ahead and make the coupling up right now, and then double check our lengths and position the new couplers. Make sure that this is all cleaned up so we don't have any interferences when we couple it. Every once in a while you'll get some sand or dirt right in here, and it prevents you from getting a good lockup. Also check the faceplates of the tractor. All right, so I just released the pressure on here. Gonna clean off our couplers, get any of the dirt, sand, and stuff that was on here from when it fell off earlier. And so now I have them all cleaned up. Route my quick connects here into a direction that is pointed away from the tractor. You gotta lift up the sleeve and then push it down. Now the last thing we gotta do is tighten up these fittings. I left these off purposely so we can make sure to route it into the correct location here. But I want to make sure that everything is going to be out and away before running it, before I make the final connections here. I actually think I'm going to reroute this. So right now, this is actually designed to come outside and then in and around. And I'm actually going to reroute this so it stays inside this area here. This is actually created for a bobcat style, where this would come outside and then on a bobcat it would actually attach up over on this corner here. So that's why they routed it. But with my tractor, everything stays inside, and it'll actually protect it a little bit more by keeping it on the inside. So let's go ahead and route this the other way. You know, just because it comes from the factory, a certain configuration, doesn't mean that you have to leave it like that. So I'm going to leave it where it's flush up against the back and out of the way. I'm going to route the second one back in towards it, the back plate here, so that way the tubes will stay more directly out of the way, and it doesn't have to go outside and then back in. So now everything will stay inside nice and tight. So let's go ahead and reattach. Alright, so now you can see we have this much shorter cable routed just inside, and what I'm going to do is tighten these last fittings up, because now that they're rolled into position like I wanted to, I can make the final adjustments and get these tight. I've already got the Teflon tape on these because they're NPT. So hold this one here going into the hose is a fixed fitting. This is the swivel joint, so make sure to only turn the swivel. So we got that one done. Okay, so now they're in the proper position, and let me put these tools down, and you can see how much smaller these tubes are. They used to be an additional 3 feet long, but they're nice and tucked back into this location and protected. They used to come all the way out up over and then wrap down inside, so got them cut down. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to do is install these colored zip ties down here. One on the base, same color goes to the tube, the hose actually, that goes to it, and that way I know that green goes here always, and the yellow one, and I can always hook this up the same exact way, time and time again. It pisses me off a lot when I hook up the implement and it works in the opposite direction. So this is the easiest way that I could come up with that actually will remind me which way to hook it up correctly. watching the video. Please remember to like and subscribe, and remember to visit our website, www.honeyamhomestead.com. There we have a list of all the videos that we have filmed. We also have a list of all the different projects that we have going on and more detailed information that I can't cover in all these videos. It's the more detailed information on how, why, and what we are doing, and all the stuff that we're going to be coming up with in the future. Thank you again for watching, and have a great day.